So I was really feeling a large full-page quote this week, and since I'm going on vacation Friday, I don't think I'll have much to do each day, and the next week field isn't necessary because all I'm going to write there is enjoy Hawaii, so I started off with my nice simple quote, keep love in your heart, of course replacing the word heart with a drawing of a heart one last time. After some fun embellishments and flourishes, I added February week 4 at the bottom of the page. That done, I split up the right-hand page into 2 columns, one with 4 days and one with 3 days. The boxes for the end of the week are longer, so I can write things like my flight information there, so it'll be easy to get to and there'll still be room for any notes or reminders I want to give myself. And I couldn't resist drawing a little hibiscus on Friday, since that's the day we leave. I added the word Hawaii to the leaf with my gold Uni Posca for some sparkle, and that's this week done. Sorry videos are a bit late. I was preparing to go away and doing a lot of editing, so there'll be regularly scheduled uploads even though I'm not at home. And I just totally forgot about this one. But don't worry, we'll be back on track now, I promise. Please like this video if you like bullet journals. Subscribe and ring the bell for more 3 times weekly left brain style uploads. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye!